What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna show you our latest WordPress theme, the financial WordPress theme, and consulting and finances or investments website builder, showing the best and latest WordPress technology and development techniques. Featuring this amazing slider builder, these awesome financial icons, and simply and virtually unlimited website builder options. In addition, with special market information widgets, as you cannot see right here. In this theme, you can create sections with graphics like this, the interactive graphics, info sections, combine blog elements with services boxes, and also show something about your team of experts and your biggest clients, and also call to actions with backgrounds and an amazing footer layout with everything that you need for any financial company. Let me show you another homepage example. Just remembering that this is example of pages and you can fully customize it in the way that you want. You can apply icons, whatever you want, and display your services in the way that you like. Now, you also have the possibility using any e-commerce WordPress plugin. In our case, we are using the WooCommerce, but the theme is fully compatible with any other to create and shop pages and sell anything beautifully. Let's move to another home example, and these are using the posts slider templates and template that is fully customizable and fully editable like everything on your team, that shows in a wonderful slider your latest blog posts and news, and also has compatibility with any mailing list builder or newsletter WordPress plugin. Let's move to the About page. These pages are perfectly useful for display company information, testimonials, and apply some call to actions so user can create accounts, for example. Here's another example. Just remembering that you can edit those pages in the back-end editor or the front-end live editor, the most advanced page builder system existing in WordPress. To customize those pages, change anything that you want, or reuse, like edit some photos and change tests for your own, and have a ready-to-go website within minutes. Now let's move to the services page, and this is a single service page example with a sidebar and display information inside it. This is a theme custom post type, and this is one service page example. Here's another single service example. In the sidebar, you can apply testimonials, call to action buttons, contact information, a button to download a PDF document with more company information or market information, some posts navigation options. Now let's have a look in another services pages examples, just to show that you can display your company services in any way that you want, and also apply YouTube background videos into sections to create wonderful effects like this. Change the number of columns, the style, like this one, the full widget. Apply products from your shop below it. here's another page with focus on the background video. Just to engage the site visitors and display your information more beautifully. Now let's move to the news page, the blogs. As you can see, you have the options to apply any widget that you want into a sidebar to display your company Facebook page, Twitter profile, market information, latest posts, social networks, categories, latest tweets. And here's a single blog post example with the related posts already built in, the share system and the post navigation inside together with the comments options, just to ensure that you're gonna have everything that you want in the case that you want to blog about finances or consulting. And here's the elements, and as you can notice, there's a lot of elements to explore and fully edit in the case that you want. And you can combine elements to create wonderful and unique layouts. For example, this one, the timeline element. This is perfect to display person or company histories. Now let's move to the pricing plans, where you can display beautifully your pricing and memberships, for example, in any way that you want, changing the number of columns, the testimonials layout, the image, the sections, the size, applying call to actions buttons, or create a simple page with a fact on it, the frequent answered questions. Now let's move to the shop. You have an infinity options to design your shop. We did use the WooCommerce, but the theme has compatibility with any other WooCommerce add-on or WooCommerce plugins that you want, and you can edit or customize your shop page. Let's go to the cart menu icon and have a look in the cart page and checkout page, so you can see how easy it is to build a shop and start selling online with your team. Now, to finish with, we're gonna have a look in the contact option, where you can create and design any contact form that you want, apply content and your Google Maps, for example, so you can spread to the world where you are and who you are. I hope you guys have enjoyed this theme presentation video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'm gonna leave the theme download page link in the description below. And I hope you find it useful and start downloading it today. All the best!